Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and I wanted to show you these LifePods from Vaultek. I have another video that I'll post in here, and I did a little review on them, but I just found them for an even better price. So I will put links for them in the description for the Amazon, because they do go on sale. But just today, I found them at Costco for like $70, which is like $30 or $40 off most of the marked up prices. So normally they're right around 100. These things are awesome. So this is my second one. I'm gonna use them for different things. Mainly you can store like firearms or anything you wanna keep safe, but I like them because they're airtight, weatherproof. You can bring them on the boat, you can travel with them. You know, for us, we gotta keep them away from the kids. So we have any items we wanna keep away from the kids, you can throw them in there, and you can also throw it in your bag while you travel. So let's open up this one. It does look a little bit different than the white one that we have. So I'll show you that also, but we'll see how this fits. Some of the firearms that we have, but also some other things that you just get an idea of how big they are and what these ones from Costco look like. So this is the original one that I bought a little while back. It fits a 17. You can fit a full-size 17 in there. You can also take the pad out from inside, because you can see inside here they have the padding that will give you a little bit more room. Has a seal all the way around. I really like it. I use it daily. It obviously fits our smaller firearms like a 43. But here we're gonna open up this one. You can see it looks a little bit different than the white one that I got, but these ones were, like I said, about $70 from Costco right now. They had them for $99, then they went down to $89, and then today I saw them for about $68 or $69. Had to get another one. So when you compare the two, other than the outside design, they're basically identical, just the different colors. So the texture is a little bit different. I know Costco probably buys these at a large quantity, so they get them at better prices. But it looks exactly the same as the way the other one came. So this one came the exact same. So it does come with all the padding inserts. It comes with a steel cable that you can mount on the inside. But let's look at these things together. I really like this one. They're identical in shape and size. You have your charging port here in case you ever run out. You know, it has a battery life for, I don't know, there's probably I would say almost 6 months sometimes. And I open this thing daily, at least a couple times. But this one looks really good. But look at this. This one has the padding up here. It has the pouch. It has this really cool red seal here for the weather. It has the super thick padding, which you can actually break out to fit your firearm in there and actually have it fit perfectly. This is something that the other ones did not come with. So this is really cool. It also has the eggshell. This one's like an eggshell. It has the cloth strap, which I use when we travel. And I'll show you how this works really quick. So the same thing with this, the soft strap. You can put it in here, and when you lock it, you can obviously strap this to something, but you know, that's only so secure. I mean, if you're just trying to keep it away from your kids or something from being moved, that's fine. But they also come with these steel cables. You do the same thing. You just slide it into the top right here. It's really, really tight fit. And then you can loop this around, and then you can secure it a little bit stronger. But I really like this black one because this is really good looking, but it has just a little bit extra features. Has things here for your cards. Just looks like an updated version of this, which I bought about a year or two ago. Costco's had these for at least the last year, and it looks like they're selling out. I don't really see them online. I see them at the store. So if you can find them, like I said, 68 bucks, maybe 70 bucks, you can have one like this. So I like this. I'm gonna be using both of these now. I wish that the other one had all this. And just so you know, it has all the instructions on how to set your codes. It has keys there in case you ever get locked out of it. You can obviously charge it really quick, and then it will be able to put your code back in. Most of the questions I get are, how big of a firearm can you fit in there? Again, this is a 17 full size. This is a 43. You can fit multiple things in there. You can fit a couple firearms if they're smaller. You can fit valuables, different things. One of the things I love about this though is we go out in the lake a lot, and you can actually keep everything weather tight, and it's still pretty slim. These things fit into a backpack very easily or in your traveling bag. Highly recommended. Love their products. I didn't really want to pay for the fingerprint ones, but they do make ones that you can do a little fingerprint. It's just a little bit more money, but if you don't mind putting in like a 4, 6, or 8-digit code, these you should definitely have at your house. So I know that's a really quick review, but I just wanted to show these off one more time. They are on sale. I found them in person at Costco, but keep an eye out for them. Maybe Vaultek is going to be doing another redesign or something, but these are already better looking than the first one that I got, and they're about $30 to $40 cheaper. But these ones are sharp. The red in the inside and the upgraded foam insert, which is something that a lot of people try to put in afterwards. They gave it to you. And then on the lid, it having those like slots and things for cards and stuff. All just nice features. You can obviously strip the inside of it and get the maximum space, but they're just very versatile. They're very durable, and they're sleek and slim, and you can travel easily with them. So I'd highly recommend them. I might even get one of their bigger ones for like larger long-term storage. I'll put a link for these in the description so you can find them there online. Keep an eye out for them on Amazon. They'll ship to your house in just like a day or two. But otherwise, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next build.